Hey guys, what's up? Today's set will keep you on the edge of your seat. Smart backpack, laser gloves, not to mention fitness gaming. We'll blow your mind in a couple of minutes. Those who watch the video to the end can take part in our giveaway and win one of the gadgets from this video. Let's go. Here's a smart backpack called Keeback. It looks like it was brought here from the future. First of all, it's meant to attract everyone's attention with the minimalistic yet quite outstanding design. Aside from the aesthetics, it's packed with the most useful and advanced features you could expect from your backpack. The flexible screen allows you to display any text or animation. If you enjoy sharing your playlist with literally everyone who walks by, this thing has an integrated speaker with really deep bass. You can also charge your devices using the ports inside or outside the backpack thanks to the large battery. Charging your backpack sounds kind of insane, even in 2020. Another useful feature is the GPS tracking system in case the Keeback gets lost. Don't even say you don't need all that. Here's an accessory that'll make your dance look epic. These gloves are equipped with at least 4 lasers. That means you'll turn your performance into a laser show. All you need to do is charge the battery and pick the preferable color, either red or green. Want both colors? No problem. Mix them. 2 buttons on the glove side switch between the lasers and the palm light. Don't forget to take them to the party. Introducing one of the easiest and funniest ways to make music. What do you need for that? Just 2 rings called Sphero Specdrums and some colors. So stunning, yet so simple. The rings can detect colors and match them with particular sounds, so you can use any surfaces as your instruments. You'll probably need the included playpad for a professional experience. Don't worry, it doesn't require much space. A special app is already full of different sound packs, but you can add your own tunes easily. The device can simulate drums, keyboards, and many other instruments with the infinite variety of samples and loops. The best choice for beginners who don't want to put too much effort into the learning process. Are you tired of your ordinary bedside desk table lamp? Need some bright colors in your room? This 3D lamp will be an even swap. Okay. It's a 2D wireframe lamp, but you won't realize that until you come closer. The top section reflects the light and illuminates the etched lines within the surface. It can be easily removed and replaced with a new design to suit your mood or room, so make sure you've got at least a couple. They're so cool. Choose one of 7 colors to match your interior perfectly. You can charge it via USB cable or plug and put it any place you like. Its entire look makes this lamp a perfect accessory and an amazing gift for your friends and family. It's more than just a provocative design. You'll be excited with these speakers to the bone. Bass radiators and 8-watt power drivers provide superior mid-range, deep bass, and high pitch without distortion, even at maximum volume. Bluetooth 5.0 technology connects to all your Bluetooth-enabled devices up to 33-foot range effortlessly. You can also connect it to a non-Bluetooth device via the included audio cable. Built-in microphone, radio, and true wireless system technology bring you even more experience. Now it's possible to enjoy high-definition stereo sound with impressive volume, whether you're lounging, partying, camping, hiking, or biking. Built-in rechargeable battery guarantees you up to 10 hours playtime at 75% volume. Yep, those glasses. This project, called Dream Glass, is determined to redefine the ultimate AR experience. It's portable and lightweight, so you won't get tired of wearing the headset for a long time. It can also be used with regular eyeglasses, and speaking of that, this headset reduces the harmful blue light which every display produces. Thanks to the 4K resolution and 3D support, you can watch movies in completely cinematic atmosphere. Here comes some amazing news for gamers. Dream Glass is fully compatible with all the popular consoles. Hello PS4, Xbox, and Nintendo Switch. Using Dream Glass with a drone should feel like pure magic. Probably better. This one's a must-have for every gamer out there. Quell brings video gaming to the next level, as it was recently shown in Ready Player One movie. From now on, you can be equally amused with exploring the variety of amazing games and doing your workouts. Fix the device on your body, and you're ready to either play or train. The construction of the gadget lets you feel every move and every punch. Get ready for some real senses. You can customize the resistance to make it as difficult as you want. No more fitness or gaming. It's time for fitness gaming. Current realities turned face masks into a necessity, yet some people are trying to make them look a little bit more pleasant and creative. These guys came up with the idea of the LED face mask, which you can make by yourself. The concept's extremely simple. Just put a flexible LED panel into the mask and choose the picture. It's capable of displaying texts and animations as well as equalizer effects synced with your music. The electronics don't violate much airflow, but you can easily remove them when needed. The battery's fully rechargeable and hidden within the mask. Charge the mask and enjoy people's faces staring at you. I guess such creative things will help us get through the hard times with a smile on our face. Take a look at the things around you. Smartphone, smartwatch, smart lock? But what about smart boxing gloves? No jokes, these gloves can act as your trainer and help you to work out individually. They track every motion of the user in real time and response with the lighting effects. That means you can see your faults immediately. All your training data will be analyzed in the app, which will then manage to create a personal workout plan. Moreover, the app keeps score of the user's activity and compares it with other users all around the globe. That provides the type of motivation we all sometimes look for. If you need some help, there are optional training courses that can be displayed on your mobile device or home TV. Getting better every day has never been this easy. Hey Pokemon fans, look what we've got! You won't find a better lamp for your bedside table. It's a crystal Pokeball with a tiny Pokemon inside. The lamp consists of two parts, the stand and the ball. The stand can be powered either with batteries and USB, which is extremely convenient. Switch on, off button, and it'll illuminate the ball with different colors. The image of the Pokemon is burnt straight into the crystals. Due to the latest 3D engraving technology, it's extremely precise. It's an amazing accessory for your room and a great gift that will help to create a cozy atmosphere with that soft glowing. By the way, you can change the balls. So are you ready to catch them all? Now here's a great gadget for all the pro gamers who wish their setup to look even cooler. These Corsair smart lighting towers are designed to provide the best immersion by making the colors really stand out. You can synchronize them with anything that happens on your screens, not only games, but also movies and videos. Guess it'd be especially good for music videos. You can connect as many towers as you wish and adjust the settings for each one separately. The reversible design is also really neat. There's a dozen lighting effects enabled right out of the box. What an easy way to make your desk really shine. Want to win the Corsair Smart Lighting Towers? Join our giveaway. Subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment so Randomizer can choose you as the winner. If the video collects 1,000 likes before the next video, we'll announce the winner. All the info's given in the description below. Good luck, everyone!